Hi, and welcome to my course catalog, or what I've been doing for the last year on Udemy. That's right, this is an overview of my courses on Udemy during the last year. And I want to point out that my profile is located at udemy.com/brianjackson13. That's right, I got the lucky number 13. And if you happen to go there and look for deals, be sure you bring the Deal 10 coupon along and get any of my courses for $10. Now, if you want to know about my courses, here they are. Whoa, I know what you're thinking. What am I supposed to do with that big glob of text I can barely read? Well, slow down. It turns out that they come into categories: the unofficial Udemy student guide, Udemy course creation, self-publishing, GIMP graphics, writing, and some utility courses that may be helpful to you. Let's begin with the unofficial Udemy student guide. Now, many of you may have come to me through this guide. It provides many features. The biggest of them is to get courses dirt cheap or free. So take this course if you haven't taken it. And speaking of Udemy courses, I'd like to introduce you to my Udemy course creation courses. The cornerstone of my Udemy course creation is the Udemy course creation with Camtasia Studio 8 and PowerPoint course. In here, you'll learn how to do a whole bunch of stuff. And if you haven't learned enough stuff from there, Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 will show you how to use PowerPoint. And that'll show you even more stuff. And I know what you're saying. That's great, but how does this all work? Well, let's assume that you have a student you want to get information to. You prepare your presentations, present them on the screen along with screencasts, and use the Camtasia recorder to store TREC files of your recordings of the screen. Then you use the Camtasia video editor to edit everything together seamlessly so that you can produce MP4 files for upload to Udemy where they're sold to students. And yes, it is just that simple. I know what you're saying. What were those courses? Here they are. Speaking of self-publishing, I wonder if I can produce one of those cool graphs for this as well. Well, imagine you've got a chasm between you and your reader. You're working on your manuscript. Well, the next step is all you've got to do is format your manuscript for Kindle publishing and for paperback publishing. Then produce a book cover using PowerPoint or the GIMP. You can pull that all together with the Kindle Direct Publishing interface to publish your ebook on Amazon for sale, or use CreateSpace to publish your paperback for sale to the reader. Now, if you look at each path through that, we have the publishing ebooks path, which I cover, the publishing paperbooks path, which I have a course for, and the how to create book covers using PowerPoint course that I have. And that pretty much covers it all. Except if you're not proficient at Word, I've got a course on Word that'll bring you up to speed fast. So that's the entire process. Or is it? What about this producing book covers with the GIMP? Well, I've got a set of courses on using the GIMP graphics tool, and the most significant features of it is that it's free. So you should pick it up and use it for your book covers. I've got GIMP for beginners, GIMP intermediate, GIMP advanced, and GIMP in HTML. All 4 courses will bring you up to speed fast on the use of this free graphics tool. In the area of writing, I have 2 courses that you might want to consider. One on creative writing basics and the other on use of Word, which I've already mentioned. In the area of utilities, I currently have 2 courses, one on MailChimp and the other on Microsoft Excel 2013. So that's the areas of my 14 courses. That's my 14 courses in a big bundle. And I'm proud to announce that course 15 and 16 are currently in production. Kindle Kids Book Creator, PowerPoint and Amazon KDP, and WordPress website design and development for beginners. So remember my profile, and don't forget to bring Deal 10 along with you. And that's about all that I have to say on that. Good luck and happy Udemying.